arrived in Broome. The Matson Brewery in Broome. Apparently they've got the best ginger beer around, as I'm led to believe. Thank you, Adam, all my subscribers. Yeah, tasting this later on today. Right, this is the outside of the Continental Hotel. It's right near the waterfront. The waterfront's right there. And you want to go to Chinatown, it's about a 15-minute walk that way. There's a brewery right there, it's a famous ginger beer brewery, just across the park. It's a pretty big complex, it goes all the way down there, over here. So yeah, they've got music playing, so you can't really film that much. Yeah, good, not a bad place. So I'm at the Continental Hotel in Broome, here for the night, then heading back on the road. Nice little spot. Didn't realise how small Broome is, it's tiny. Anyway. Right, the pool area. All the cabanas around the pool. Quite big. Gym just there. Restaurant, outdoor eating. Quite good. I'm just waiting to check in early before lunch. Bike's just there. And let me use the pool. Alright. Okay, room 306, the Continental Hotel, card access. Right, as you walk in the front door, let's show you around. Huge bathroom, all the amenities, toilet, no bum gun, shower. Big TV, tea, coffee. In Australia, they used to have like milk in the fridge. Yeah, milk down there. 2 things of water. All complimentary. Good aircon. Outdoor patio area. Yeah, really good. Enough room for the bike. Bed is medium to hard. Pretty good. Another thing I like is the USB ports. I don't know why everyone doesn't have that. Makes life so much easier, especially when you're traveling international. This one's got it on both sides, it's pretty rare. Oh, it comes with pool towels too. Right, I'll show you the rest of the area. Continental Hotel Broome. So my room is just one back from these ones. These are the cabanas. They have a pool view. Alright, this is the outdoor dining area. Gym's here, indoor restaurant, reception. So yeah, there's rooms over there. Let's go take a look at the gym. Can't video for too much because they're playing music in the background. Alright, fitness center just over here. Right, it's just there's people in there exercising, so I didn't film, but they're just basic weights and cardio. Need a combination lock to get inside. Alright, this is the outside. go take a reception in the indoor eating area. The indoor restaurant is just here. And there's a bar too. Like, a bar. So I'm just in the park across the road. Continental starts here, goes all the way the block, and it goes all the way behind the block, so it's pretty big. So it's got these big buildings here, and it's got cabanas next to the pool. I just walk to the brewery now and then do some shopping. Just follow this road. 15 minutes is Coles and whatever you need, and the brewery's 5 minutes, just there. I think this is the cenotaph here. Let's go check out old mate here. Yeah, so no, not a bad town. Really small. The business district is in Chinatown, which is just along the Cody Forest Road. It's just over there, about a 15-minute walk. Oh, mate, massive slug. Look at the size of that nose. Holy shit. Let's go check out a ginger beer. They're famous for it. Right here. Look at that view. Oh, you can see the beach. Oh, welcome to Cock Country.